Before we dive into specifics, let's talk about what makes a material right for a particular part of a building. When evaluating materials, we consider things like durability, aesthetics, cost, and energy efficiency. For example, some materials are better for insulation, while others might be chosen for their appearance or ability to resist moisture. It's all about finding the right balance for each building project. Now let's break it down by looking at common materials for windows, doors, and roofs. Let's start with windows. Windows are a key feature for both natural light and energy efficiency. When choosing windows, you'll want to evaluate the frame material, glass type, and insulation capabilities. For frames, you'll find options like wood, vinyl, aluminum, and fiberglass. Each has its pros and cons. Wood frames are durable and offer great insulation but require more maintenance. Vinyl is low maintenance and affordable but might not be as strong as fiberglass or aluminum. Another factor is the glass itself. Double-glazed or triple-glazed windows have multiple layers of glass that improve insulation, which can save on energy costs. You can even go for low-E glass, which has a special coating to block out UV rays and help keep the building cool. Evaluating windows for both interior and exterior involves balancing your needs for energy efficiency, noise reduction, and aesthetics. Next up, doors. Doors are a key component of both security and style. There are plenty of material options to choose from, and each has its own benefits. Exterior doors, especially front doors, are often made of solid wood, steel, fiberglass, or composite materials. For instance, a solid wood door can look amazing and provides great insulation, but it's susceptible to weather damage if not properly treated. Steel doors offer more security and are generally more durable, though they can be prone to dents or scratches. Composite doors, which combine different materials, are a popular choice for durability and low maintenance. They're made to look like wood, but often come with a reinforced core that resists weathering and warping. For interior doors, you might go with lighter options like hollow core doors for affordability, or glass doors to bring in more light. It's all about function and appearance. Part 4. Roofing, exterior protection, and aesthetics. Finally, let's talk roofing. Roofs are a building's first line of defense against weather, so choosing the right material is essential. Roof materials vary widely, from traditional shingles to metal and even eco-friendly options. Asphalt shingles are popular because they're affordable and easy to install, but they don't last as long as other materials. Clay or concrete tiles are more durable and provide a unique look, though they can be heavy and more expensive. Then there's metal roofing. Metal roofs are lightweight, very durable, and excellent for energy efficiency. They can be more expensive up front, but they're a solid long-term investment. Another option is green roofs, living roofs that incorporate plants and vegetation. These are great for the environment and insulation, but require careful planning and maintenance. Choosing the right roofing material depends on factors like climate, budget, and the desired look. A metal roof might be ideal for rainy or snowy climates, while a tile roof might work better in a warmer, dry climate. Part 5. Making an informed decision. So, how do you choose the right materials? Here are a few tips to keep in mind. First, think about durability and maintenance. A material may look great now, but will it hold up over time? Then consider energy efficiency. This can save money on heating and cooling in the long run. Cost is always a factor, but don't forget about the aesthetic impact. Each material adds its own unique look to a building. You want something that complements the overall design while meeting practical needs. By evaluating the specific pros and cons of each material, you can make informed choices that will keep your building looking and performing its best for years to come. Conclusion. That wraps up our overview of building materials and assemblies for windows, doors, and roofs. I hope this helped you understand the options and how to evaluate them. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Channel Name for more content on building and construction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.